Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can create a QR code for your group in WhatsApp. Please friends, write your comments, subscribe to our channel, and be sure to put your likes. And let us get down to the topic with you. Please open the WhatsApp app on your phone and then go to the chat section at the bottom. Next, open a group. After which at the top, tap on its name. Now you will need to scroll down where you will see a section called Members. And you'll need to click on the invite link to the group. Now here you will be able to find a section like QR code. Click on it, and you will be shown the QR code to that particular WhatsApp group. Now you can show this QR code to someone for the person to scan it. You can also send it if you click on the share button at the top right corner. And here you can share this QR code use some of the social networks or messengers. Also the favorite contact with whom you communicate most often. And also you can save this QR code to yourself if you click Save to Gallery. And now you will have this QR code in your gallery. You will be able to open it at any moment and show it to any person to scan it and go to your group in WhatsApp. This is the method, friends. You will be able to create a QR code for your WhatsApp group. I really hope this video has been useful and helpful for you. Please put your likes, write your comments, and see you soon.